quick minute of chaos. I didn't even record this build because it took 5 hours. But look at the mess I got here. All this is out. Look at my bench. Like, my bench is a pigsty. I can't even do nothing on it, really. I got the table saw out. So what I did build, finally, I still can't find any fishing string. I built this. Put your plants in it. And it's got the sun going. Is that nice? Nice little planter. I know, a planter again, but hey. Looks pretty good. So just remember, there's more than one way than the WAYNE-ONNA way.